So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another reading. This is going to be an English reading. This is a pick a card reading for career. Now especially for those people who are seeking out new projects, new opportunities, if you want to switch your job or if you're looking for some kind of a change in your career. At this point of time you're feeling stuck in some kind of a work situation and you're feeling stressed out. I think these messages are going to be for you. This is the first pile, the clear quartz crystal, and this is the second pile, the amethyst crystal. So I'll put a screenshot after this intro, and you can use your intuition and pick one of the options. If you want to see the entire reading, you can go for it. This is going to be a smaller reading. Just one thing, those people who are seeking new opportunities, feel stuck at some place, this reading is for them. Specific messages, so this is not related to any kind of promotion or anything, or if you are seeking promotion in your current role, I think this reading won't resonate for those people. So let's see what are the messages. I'll go for option number 1 now. So hi, option number 1, those who have picked this white crystal, the clear quartz. Let's see what are the messages for you. Okay, so the first message here is that you have to be a little bit consistent and persistent in whatever you're trying. There will be some kind of opportunity which you will get in and around 2 months from now, but you have to be persistent with your efforts. See, I know that there is a lot to balance. Maybe you are balancing work with something. There are 2 to 3 things that you're balancing at this point, and you're juggling between stuff. Maybe your work requires you to juggle and travel. So I feel that within 2 months to 3 months you will get 2 to 3 opportunities and some kind of offers. Also, be very vigilant about any kind of messages that you may receive either through social media or like email communication, or any kind of social media. Actually, if you are an online content creator or something, you will receive some kind of opportunities as well. You will get to travel a lot related to your work in the upcoming months. Also, don't be stressed out. I think this instability or things going a little bit unbalanced in your work life is a temporary phase. I think things will start to improve, and better opportunities will be there. Maybe at this point of time you may get smaller opportunities than before, but something will be worked out. I think it's just in your mind that you're very tense. You're creating illusions in your mind. So you don't need to feel so worked up about your work situation currently, because I see there are going to be some kind of new opportunities. Whatever you're putting your hard work in, right, eventually universe will give you a lot of success, but there is some kind of a period which needs to pass, and eventually you will get some good opportunity. Smaller opportunities for now, but you will get opportunities. So yeah, that's the message for you, pile number 1. I hope you like the message. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next reading. Bye friends, those who have chosen this amethyst crystal, this is the reading for you. So I think in terms to opportunities related to your work, your projects, etc., I have a feeling that there are opportunities. Okay, universe is trying to offer you something, but because you're very bored and you're kind of in the routine a little bit more, you're not able to see the opportunities that you're being offered, or maybe you're ignoring those opportunities for now. I think email communication is very important. You are receiving emails, specifically emails or messages through social media for work related offers. You are being approached. If you're into social media or not into social media, I think you are receiving some kind of opportunities. uh, you need to work on your foundations in terms to, like, building up on your foundations, or things will not be that great. Or do your homework well on things, and keep searching, keep tracking. You'll bag some kind of an opportunity if you keep your search going on. I see there are going to be like 2 offers that you might receive in the future, and 2 projects, 2 offers, 2 job offers. So there is opportunity. Something which you had already given up on may come and revisit you in terms to your work related opportunity. So see, I think your pile looks a bit better than the earlier one, and work on your foundations, because the center card is the tower card. I think there are some kind of the preparation is pretty weak. Okay, so if you are searching for a job, searching for a project, or searching for, or you have a business idea, I think it does not have a good base. So you need to work on your business plans, you need to work on studying and improving your skill, and then eventually within 2 weeks to 3 weeks you will see some kind of an opportunity coming towards you. And yeah, it has a lot of growth opportunity. Let's see just 1 or 2 cards maybe. Okay. If you are not confident, or are feeling burdened in your current job role, or you're feeling very stuck at this point of time, I think better times are coming. We have the strength card, so I think better times are coming. You will get some good golden opportunities which will help you progress in your career a bit better, and things will start to look up. If they are not looking up right now, things will start to look up. Keep searching, and you will get some kind of a good opportunity, and it will be a bigger one. Like, it will be a very good opportunity. Okay, so yeah, I think these were the messages. I hope you liked the reading. It was a short one, but I just wanted to keep it precise. And do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any recommendations, do let me know on my Instagram, or you can even comment. So yeah, so hope and see you in the next reading. Bye.